Do you want to absolutely dominate the next big social media challenge? Create a viral meme in under a minute? Well, I found an AI cheat code that puts you right in the middle of the action. No editing skills required. Let's check it out. All right, guys, it's time for a face swap. Wait, what do I mean? Am I going to swap my case? Yeah, you can do that with the power of AI. I found an AI cheat code, and we're going to check it out at VidMage. So what do we do? First, we have face swap right here. We want to go ahead and log in and click on video face swap. So you can swap any face into a video, and they actually give you template ideas on what to do. So all you got to do is download a target video, so you can pick any one you want here. We have a target video of this girl, so we can save the video, and we can go ahead and I'm going to save it to my desktop. So after we do that, we download a clip of a TikTok, a reel, a challenge. Then you want to get a picture of yourself, so go ahead and do that. And it's very, very simple. And this is designed for creators who want to jump on trends fast, you want to make a funny meme for your friends, you want to participate in a challenge, you want to go viral. This gives you very realistic results. It's going beyond memes. It's going beyond jokes. It's powerful for your business, it's good for your marketing, and you can instantly personalize it. So first, we're going to go to Face Swap. So we have a video here. Then all I need to do is upload an image. I've got an image of me. I don't think she'll grow a beard, but we're going to swap the face, and then that's really it. The best part is you don't need to know complex software like Premiere Pro or After Effects. It removes technical barriers so you can create fun, realistic, and engaging content. And now it works flawlessly. I'm not sure if I want to take her on a date, but it works flawlessly for both photos and videos, gives you endless possibilities, and it can be your go-to AI tool for creating memes, joining social media challenges, or making professional business content. Let's check it out. All right, so now it's time to go business professional. So I'm going to do the same thing with a business professional video. So we have a business professional video here, as we can see. It's in a professional setting, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my face again, and then we'll do the face swap. So we're going to check this out, see how this one looks. So we did the face swap right here. We're going to see. So you can use this to make yourself a personal or professional business asset as a spokesperson for a country or, a company. You can see right here, I have my face. So as I pass by, the best part is you don't really need complex software like Premiere Pro or After Effects. This gets rid of all the technical barriers. So we saw the first part where I did a face swap, and then the second part where we did it in a business professional setting. So you can use it for memes, for fun, for all of those different use cases. So my big message to you is stop spending hours trying to edit yourself into videos. Start creating viral content instantly. Click the link below. Try VidMage for free right now and see the magic for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next video.